Hello friends, here I am with a super easy and delicious recipe, Tomato Rasam on Stovetop and Instant Pot. This is the best alternative for tamarind rasam, being entirely tomatoes. Makes perfect comforting flavorful rasam to pair with rice, millets, dal, etc. Usually the common mistake is boiling rasam long time after tempering, which causes spices to settle down and lose flavor. So ends up in adding more oil, but not anymore with my tips. Stay tuned for my quick and healthy version with less oil. Let's get started. To avoid overboiling, I'm going to quick boil before and after tempering. Saves lot of time and retains flavor with less oil. First we need 2 tomatoes with 1 teaspoon salt and 1 cup water to boil. First stovetop way, in a hot pan, add chopped tomatoes, salt and water. Boil on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes until tomatoes soften. Let it cool down. For instant pot way, add tomatoes, salt and water in a bowl. Pour 1 cup water in instant pot liner. Place the rack and keep tomatoes boil. Our best way is to save time by stacking rice and tomatoes. Close the lid to sealing. Pressure cook high for 5 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes also works fine. Wait for natural release. As you see, both dishes gets ready at the same time. Tomatoes get cooked well and so do rice. Comparatively, stovetop way is quicker. Instant pot way saves time without monitoring by stacking 2 to 3 dishes like rice, eggs, etc. with tomatoes. Let's blend the tomatoes for smooth silky texture. To avoid accidents while fine grinding, need only tomatoes without excess liquid. So instead of taking out tomatoes only, here is my easy trick. Pour tomatoes with entire liquid into jar and drain excess liquid with spatula. Gets very easy and faster this way. We will use this water again. Now blend to fine paste. As you see, paste will be thicker. Now mix paste with excess liquid. It's ready for tempering. Add 2 teaspoon oil in a hot pan. If you notice, rasam doesn't need much oil this way. Add 1 red chili, 1 green chili, quarter teaspoon cumin seeds, little mustard seeds, pinch of hing, 2 garlic, few curry leaves, around quarter teaspoon turmeric, little pepper powder, cumin fenugreek powder. It's a must for rasam to enhance the flavor. Sort all spices well. Add little chili powder at the end to avoid overburn. Now add tomato paste and dilute with 1 cup water. Bring it to quick boil for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. If you notice, quick boiling before and after tempering does the trick. Once you see the foam, turn off the flame. Garnish with coriander. Look at the beautiful texture with perfect consistency. Hope you enjoy this easy and delicious tomato rasam in your meals. See you again with many more awesome, healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.